Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in this video, we got the updates and recaps, starting off with the updates. So we got news that Angel Reese is having her own collaboration, Reebox. This is Allen Iverson's third silhouette. Far between that, the women get their own shoe or any collaboration. So I am happy to see that Reebok is working with the WNBA on some of these collaborations. Again, so if you don't know, Angel Reese plays for the Chicago Sky, and she's up and rising star among the women's basketball WNBA. Reebok is set to launch her first collaboration capsule on August the 23rd. These shoes are supposed to be coming out maybe to the public, I don't know, but they said that some were already given out to friends and family of Angel, and this is the Answer 3, which features Allen Iverson's third signature shoe dressed in a two-tone silver and blue shade colorway. Her basketball shape, unapologetically Angel logo appears on the tongue as well as on the hangtag. So let me know down in the comments, are you rocking with these Iversons? But this is her first collaboration. So moving on to the Jordan recaps. These are the shoes that came out from the 28th of July to the 3rd of August. Go and start us off, my brother.
So on July the 30th, we did have the Air Jordan 1 low Charlotte Hornet. Price point for them was $125. It looked like it was a bad week for the Jordan brand because according to Nike.com, all sizes are available. Once again, all sizes are available. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you were able to snatch up the Air Jordan 1 low Charlotte Hornets. According to Nike.com, all sizes are available.
Yes, sir. So moving on to the same day, on July the 30th, we were supposed to have a Jordan 3 Wings. Did come at a price point of $210. This was supposed to be exclusively women's release. However, I didn't see these drop on the sneaker app, so if you did, let me know. However, I did see them drop over there on the Canada sneaker app, and all sizes did sell out. Predominant shoe is white. It did have some gray light elephant print, which I do like, and does have that pink at the bottom of the sole, which presents a glowing effect. Whoever designed this shoe did a nice job on the shoe because that pink with the white makes it perfect, and then that red Jumpman on the tongue really makes the shoe pop. And then the back did have that special logo. It had the clear Air Jordan as well as a flower in the background, and I did think that was a nice touch. But let us know in the comments, were you able to snatch you a pair of these? Moving on, what we got next, my brother?
So on August the 3rd, we did have the Air Jordan 6 Olympic. This was white with that varsity red and that midnight navy. Price point for those were going for $200. According to Nike.com, all sizes are still available. Once again, according to Nike, all sizes are still available.
So we wasn't really surprised about this because we know Air Jordan 6s do sit. However, I think Nike dropped the ball on this because, as you know, the Air Jordan 6 Midnight Navies, which I have in my hand, had already released ahead of time. And I'm pretty sure, like myself, have already picked up a Navy shoe. So when these drop, you have to tell yourself, again, economy is bad. You don't really need another Navy shoe when we already got one. So I do think that played a part in it. But I do think that they dropped at the right time, being that it was Olympic year. However, these were sitting, and as you can see in that video right there, they were sitting here in North Carolina as well.
And if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others.
Peace.